pressure winding up to 22 psi. Okay, landing gear handles down, flap handles up, and we're ready to go. On this engine, they indicate 175, 180 knots, and normal cruise about 40 gallons an hour. Economical landing measure really for this kind of airplane. Checking the constant speed or pitch control of the propeller. Watching the oil pressure. Check our voltmeter, it's showing a good charge. Now we'll push up 2,000 RPM, check the max.
770, check down, 126, right, taxi in position, hold.
Okay, boost pump is on, cow flaps are set to trail.
The public was told that the Zero was merely an imitation of a half a dozen U.S. and one British design. Facts prove that this highly original fighter was the result of numerous years of ingenious Japanese research and trials. If you're going over 200 knots, the ailerons begin to become very heavy. And the rate of roll of the Zero is very fast. It's half again as fast as the Hellcat or some of its contemporary fighters from World War II. This is the Sockeye 31, 1,705 cubic inches, 14-cylinder, supercharged, 2-row radial power plant. Much of the Zero's success as a fighter was due to the Sockeye engine. This outstanding power plant was used in other Japanese planes, including the Japanese Imperial Navy's Nakajima E-5 engine. 19,000 built in World War II. This is the only remaining fully original Zero left flying. And virtually almost all the parts from the original aircraft were used in this restoration, including the Sockeye engine. This top secret enemy fighter. We'll find out when we go flying in the Zero fighter. That record. It's Japan's famous World War. Designed by Hiro Hirikoshi, the 34-year-old chief design engineer at Mitsubishi. Zero fighter was first reported to the disbelieving U.S. War Department by Claire Chennault. He was the head of the American Volunteer Group, better known as the Flying Tigers. Chennault described this new ultra-secret Japanese fighter as having a top speed of 322 plus a half hour at full combat ability with a droppable fuel tank. It could climb to 16,000 feet in 6 minutes and was armed with two 7.7mm machine guns. By December 1st, 1941, Japan had 444 Zero fighters. The Western world had no idea that the decks of Japan's 6 largest carriers were lined with these new weapons of war, and that they were on their way to strike Pearl Harbor.